A is for apricot. Apricot. Do you like apricots? Yes, I do. B is for bell. Bell. Do you like bells? Yes, I do. C is for candy cane. C candy. Do you like candy canes? Yes, I do. D is for deer. Deer. Do you like deer? Yes, I do. E is for elf. Elf. Do you like elves? Yes, I do. F is for frost. Frost. Do you like frost? Yes, I do. G is for gift. Gift. Do you like gifts? Yes, I do. H is for hot cocoa. Hot. Do you like hot cocoa? Yes, I do. I is for icicle. Icicle. Do you like icicles? Yes, I do. J is for jingle bell. Jingle. Do you like jingle bells? Yes, I do. K is for Krispie Treat. Crispy. Do you like Krispie Treats? Yes, I do. L is for lights. Lights. Do you like lights? Yes, I do. M is for mitten. Mitten. Do you like mittens? Yes, I do. N is for North Pole. North. Do you like the North Pole? Yes, I do. O is for ornament. Ornament. Do you like ornaments? Yes, I do. P is for pudding. Pudding. Do you like pudding? Yes, I do. Q is for quilt. Quilt. Do you like quilts? Yes, I do. R is for reindeer. Reindeer. Do you like reindeer? Yes, I do. S is for snowflake. Snowflake. Do you like snowflakes? Yes, I do. T is for tree. Tree. Do you like Christmas trees? Yes, I do. U is for unwrap. You unwrap. Do you like to unwrap gifts? Yes, I do. V is for vanilla cookie. V vanilla. Do you like vanilla cookies? Yes, I do. W is for wreath. Wreath. Do you like wreaths? Yes, I do. X is for Xmas cookie. Cookie. Do you like Xmas cookies? Yes, I do. Y is for Yule Log. Yule. Do you like Yule logs? Yes, I do. Z is for Zippy Snow. Zippy. Do you like Zippy Snow? Yes, I do.